Hello guys, welcome to another short video on SharePoint. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change the site's logo in SharePoint Office 365. To change this, click on Settings, go to Site Settings. Here you can see Title, Description and Logo option. Click on that one. SharePoint Office 365 has provided you an option. You can upload a logo from your computer or you can choose it from the SharePoint site if you have uploaded already in your SharePoint site. Currently, I don't have any images or logo in my site, so I will just choose from my computer. Choose the file, then click on OK. That's it. You can see your site logo has been changed now on the top left side. So now this new logo is being displayed in the entire site. To save the changes, just click on OK. Just I will redirect to home page. So as you can see here, it's applied in all the pages. So this is how you can change your site's logo in SharePoint Office 365. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share it to others and subscribe to my channel.